In today's video, you will learn about the effects every beverage has when we drink them during meals. We recently talked about the harms of drinking while eating. Did you watch this video? No? Then check it out after learning about what each beverage causes in your body while you eat. Did you know that the kind and amount of liquid ingested can hinder your digestion and satiety? It can even make you eat more during your meals. Liquids dilute the gastric juice and the enzymes responsible for the proper digestion of foods. Symptoms like indigestion, abdominal distension, and burning sensation may happen when we drink during our meals. The ideal is to drink in between your meals. But if you are one of those people that just can't eat without drinking something, try limiting the liquids to 6.75 ounces and avoid it whenever possible. Now, let's see some beverages that usually accompany our meals before choosing yours. Water. Some people, especially those with reduced salivation, have trouble eating without something to drink. In this case, drinking a small amount of water may be good, but when in excess, water dilutes the gastric juices and enzymes that digest the food. Don't drink too much water during your meals, and make sure to chew every bite as it increases salivation. Coconut water. Coconut soda. It is better to always avoid sodas since they are high in sugar. They are also high in calories, don't bring any health benefits, hinder digestion and appetite, and increase the chances of reflux, heartburn, ulcers, and abdominal distension. Besides that, sodas cause weight gain and diseases like diabetes. And it doesn't matter if you substitute a regular soda for its diet or 0 calories version. Sodas have food colorings, preservatives, and other additives that are harmful to our health. They can cause hypertension, harm the liver, mess with your appetite, and in the long run, even cancer. Milk. Milk is a common beverage in homes all around the world. Some people like to drink milk during their meals, but it is not recommended to do so. This is because the combination of foods and milk may hinder the absorption of vitamins and minerals. Milk may aggravate the symptoms in patients with esophagitis and gastritis, and slow gastric emptying because of its proteins, fats, and lactose. People who drink during their meals may gain weight by consuming sugary drinks. Also, these beverages hinder the satiety mechanism and hunger control. This happens because the stomach gets distended, giving the impression that it can take more food. The best thing is to drink liquids during your day to keep hydrated and avoid them while you eat. You can drink up to 30 minutes before a meal and drink again 2 hours after you last ate. This will help your gastrointestinal health. This is the best way of feeling satiated and avoiding eating in excess. Tell us, did you know that? Do you usually drink while eating?
If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.